Well, if you can read that through the trees, it says Reddish North. So that should give you a clue as to where I am today. I'm in Reddish. I'm just heading for the station where my directions would begin. So this is the old Reddish North station here, and it looks quite a nice building, as was usual with the railways. You can see now it's GMPTE, so that means it's a tram station, one of the trams. I wouldn't imagine it's staffed this, but you never know. So we got times for trains here: Manchester to Rose Hill, Marple and Sheffield. And where are we? And there's Reddish North, which is between Ryder Brow and Brinnington. So it says train times. I assume that it's trains as well then. This part of the building is now a timber place. I think it's part of the Greater Manchester transport system, perhaps when they get in these new tickets coming through, and you can use them on trains as well as the trams as well. It's quite a nice station, this. Beautiful. Anyway, it's a beautiful day, the birds are singing, and my instructions are to cross Gorton Road and go on to Station Road. It says cross Gorton Road outside the station, so I don't know whether this little road is called Gorton Road or not, but Station Road is what I'm looking for, and it should be across the road. It's a beautiful day today, by the way. It's 30 degrees, a bit of a heat wave on, which is, it's a bit unusual for me. It's a bit unusual for England actually. I'm hoping this road here is Station Road, because, oh, there we go, Station Road. So it's pretty straightforward instructions from here. Follow this all the way down. My instructions are to follow this road, Station Road, down to the railway bridge, and it's pretty simple from there. It's a path after that. I'm hoping it's not too long. It says 10 minutes walking, I think, but that's not bad. Not bad at all, 10 minutes. It gets a little bit curvy, the road here, but we're plodding on, making our way down. Tell you what, this is a big curb I've got to get over. I think I'll cross over here because there's no footpath on that side. Still working my way down this road. And it looks like some businesses at the end. Reddish used to be a sub-shed for 39A, which was Gorton. But when Gorton changed its shed code to 9G, then it became a sub-shed of 9G. And this is a little bit different than your average shed bash, because it's actually a motive power depot. To do maintenance, it's not your old-fashioned old brick built building that's been there since 1800 and something. This is pretty nice, modern, like a factory thing. It's more of a motive power depot rather than a traditional shed, because it was a modern building, nice, well lit, not dirty, and it didn't handle steam engines as far as I know. Its main residents were electric engines or electric locomotives. This looks promising at the end now. I think I'm getting there. I'm actually looking for a bridge, and the end of this road seems to rise, and that gives me an indication that it could be going over a bridge, maybe with a railway underneath it. We'll see when we get there. This looks promising. I'm hoping it leads to a bridge, which is an over bridge. Yes, and I think oh, there we go, there's the bridge. Couldn't be much plainer, could it? And there's the other side. Let's take a look. See what we can see over there. Oh, it screams railway, screams it out. And this was the Fallowfield loop line, and this wasn't electrified. The shed, see those new houses over there, just a little bit further back than that was the site of Reddish Depot. So this line wasn't electrificated, so they had to come in another way, and the way they did that was to come in from Fairfield Junction, which was electrified. If you take a look at this map, you'll see the access point at the top right, which was Fairfield Junction. From here, the line was electrified down to the depot, and towards the right of the depot you'll see Reddish North Station, which is where I've just made my journey from to get here. The Fallowfield loop line you'll see down in the bottom left, obviously this wasn't electrified. Let's take a look on the other side now. Actually can't see as well from here. Wonder if I can at the other side. So this is the parapet from here. Yes, and oh, look at that beautiful brickwork there. Wow. So that was the Fallowfield loop line, which is now obviously looks like a well-used walking and cycle track. Now just past here there was supposed to be a path that took you to the shed, so I'm going to go down a little way. It could have been behind all this overgrown stuff here. Oh, look at there. Don't forget Survivor Man. If you see food, eat it. Oh, bitter. Oh. Oh. I'm assuming that this actually could be the path, because it says another path from the right of this path leads to the shed. I wonder what this is here. Huh, there we go. It did actually say on the instructions that the entrance to the shed was from the end of this path, so just in case I missed it, I'm going to see what's at the end of this path. Could be quite a long path actually, so I can't go down too far because I know the approximate location of the shed and it wasn't too far down this way. So I'm looking for another path that might go off to the right, and if I don't find it soon, it's back to the path that I found. I might just add here that I saw all of the class 77 locomotives and all but 3 of the class 76, and there were quite a lot of named locomotives there too. Ooh, a nice bit of shade anyway. No, I can't see it being this far down. Oh. So I'm giving up on that one now. I'm going to go back to the path that I found earlier. I reckon, yeah, definitely. That's probably where the path was. And this housing estate, ladies and gentlemen, is covering the site of Reddish Motive Power Depot. When I was last at this spot, it must have been in the 1970s, I remember vividly a line of class 26 and class 27, known as 76 and 77s now, and they were lined up, probably ready for going to scrap. I can't take any credit for this photograph, but it's exactly as I remember the line of locos at Reddish last time I visited the depot. It's impressed so much on my brain it could be my own photograph. It was also a watering hole for the class 506, and those were the ones that began with an M and they ended with an M, like an M59606M or something. So this is about it now. This is about as much you're going to see. At least they cleared all the oil up and stuff. And just around this area then, this was the location. So thanks for joining me on this little short trip, and we'll be doing some more in the future, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like it, you can see some more. So it's all run out from me, and I'll be with you again soon. Bye for now.